Today I'm going to be trying sock curls because I always try to find a new way to curl my hair. Like, my hair is naturally curly, but there's a difference between having like natural curly hair and like ringlets that you do with a curling iron, but I hate putting heat to my hair, so today I'm going to be trying sock curls. Now, I tried to do this before, but it was like a total disaster. I think it's because you're supposed to have your hair damp, but I literally had my hair like soaking wet. So like by the time I woke up the next morning to take them out, they were still wet and it turned frizzy and gross. So I think I have learned now how to do it, so I'm going to try it again. Hopefully this time I don't look like a trollo. To do the curls, all you're going to need is like socks and like a brush or a comb so you can brush your hair. Now I'm going to get a chunk of my hair and I'm going to brush it or comb it. Then what I saw them do was like curl it. I'm sure if you want them really loose, you can make them like really loose with this, but I want them on the tight side. Oh, this is hard. How do people do this? So we're just gonna curl it around. And then tie it. Now I'm gonna do that with my entire head. So I am done with my hair. There's literally like every color of socks you can think of. I'm going to sleep on them and see if they come out good in the morning. So I guess I'll see you tomorrow morning. It's the next morning and the curls actually came out really good. I already took out the socks except for this one. I'm gonna take this one out and I just pull. They're so curly, it's so cute. You can probably comb them out if you want, but I think I'm gonna just like keep them like this because I think they look good like this. You can I wore it in a ponytail because I knew it was gonna be hot today, so I wore it like this, but I'm sure you can start from your scalp if you want to wear it down. But yeah, they worked and I accomplished not screwing it up this time. So I hope you liked this video and see you next time.